That's not my frog. Its toes are too shiny. Ah, its spots are too bumpy. Its throat is so smooth. Okay, let's do it again. Toes are too shiny. Its spots are too bumpy. Its throat is so smooth. Okay, that's not my frog. Its feet are too silky. His tongue is too rough. His toes are too shiny. Oops. Spots are over here. Spots. Its throat is so smooth. Throat is so smooth. Let's do it one more time. His tummy is too squashy. You want to see his tummy? Its feet are too silky. Its tongue is too rough. His toes are too shiny. His spots are too bumpy. Its throat is so smooth.